Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling ingredients. 1 cup fruit juice, 2 tablespoons honey or 2 tablespoons sugar, and 3 tablespoons gelatin for a single tray of gummies. Add optional 1 teaspoon lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon citric acid for tartness. Prepare vitamin powder or crushed capsules and calculate the total milligrams you need, dividing by the intended number of gummies to set a per gummy dose. Sterilize silicone molds and note that typical cavity volume is 5 to 10 ml and mold diameter. Pour 3/4 cup of the juice into a small saucepan and warm to about 90 degrees C until steaming. Do not boil to reduce vitamin degradation. Whisk in 3 tablespoons gelatin and 2 tablespoons honey or sugar until completely dissolved and the mixture is glossy. Remove from heat and let the liquid cool to around 40 degrees C. This prevents heat-sensitive vitamins from breaking down. At 40 degrees C, gently stir in the premixed vitamin powder or liquid, ensuring even distribution so each gummy will have the intended dose. Working quickly, use a dropper or small spoon to fill each 5 to 10 ml mold cavity at room temperature, leaving a small headspace. Refrigerate the filled molds for at least 60 minutes, or until fully set, then carefully unmold. Optionally, dust gummies with 1 teaspoon cornstarch or granulated sugar to prevent sticking. Store gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator and label the batch with the date and the calculated dose per gummy. Homemade gummies typically keep for 7 to 10 days when chilled.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.